All right, guys, super excited today. Got a special guest. I got Mike Hernandez from Fieldcraft Survival.
Good to be here.
Thanks for coming, man.
Seriously.
He's brought his incredible Jeep all the way over from Arizona. I'm gonna ask him a few things about the Jeep because it's just awesome the way it is. And then we're gonna do something special to it. So Mike, tell me this thing's a beast. What do we got going on here?
So it's a 2020 Jeep Gladiator, the Rubicon Edition.
Okay.
I think the most thing that kind of catches your eye is the wrap.
Yeah.
So it's got the multicam black wrap, correct precision multicam. But yeah, 4.5-inch Off-Road Evolution suspension, raceline wheels. It does have 40s.
The little tires?
The little tires.
Those are just little 40s. Okay, yep.
It's got little 40s on it. But yeah, I mean, at this point in the build process, you know, it's got bumpers, it's got lights, KC highlights, Rebel Off-Road, smart steering. It's like right at that point where we needed to just get that much more capability, right?
Yeah.
So I did have the rack and the traditional rooftop tent, which is fine and great.
Like you had the kind of bed rack system with a tent on it, which is cool.
But it's like, you know what? This is like a discerning gentleman thing, right? It's like, it's time to get some more comfort while we're out there.
Awesome.
So I'm super stoked, man.
Yeah, so today we're gonna put on
the Camp King.
The Camp King Outback. The Outback by the folks in Camp King that's built in Australia, they just make a phenomenal product. We run it on our Jeep, and Mike's gonna run it on his Jeep. And it's just really exciting when we get folks like these guys coming to us and saying, hey, this is gonna be awesome. I'm just pumped you're here, and
I feel like a little kid, like I'm like a little boy, I'm excited for this.
And we're stoked you made the drive over, so awesome, let's get going.
Heck yeah.
So, what do you think, dude? Pretty awesome.
Wow.
I feel like it was a matter of time before we'd get a Camp King on a Gladiator with 40s. I'm pretty excited it's happened, but my God, this looks amazing, man.
God, it looks so good. I mean, even if I wasn't gonna wrap it or anything, it just matches the whole scheme. I mean, the right powder coat. The aluminum work is just phenomenal. I feel like I just keep wanting to touch it. Like, I don't know if you saw me in there. I was I just keep touching everything. Like,
the fit is beautiful. I mean, honestly, on a beautiful truck like yours, it's gonna augment the Camp King really well,
dude.
The lines of it, there's something about it that I really do think it looks nice. Like, if we close the door, just the way the lines are on the Camp Kings and with the with the Jeeps. I mean, same with the Tacomas, but it screams, let's go outside.
It really does.
All right, and then let's actually be pretty darn comfortable here.
Right. I know. Yeah. This is such an upgrade from what I'm used to.
Yeah.
Like there's pretty hard contrast. Like, we had a Class C RV for many years on my family.
Yep.
And then we did the ground tent, rooftop tent thing.
Yeah.
Like, this is so much better.
Yeah, I mean,
because I can just get in anywhere with this.
That's kind of the beauty, right? Obviously, it's not a Class C motorhome. It's not even a full-blown, four-wheel camper. Once you get your interior built out, which you're planning on doing, that's next. It's a really utilitarian package that has a phenomenal look, and it's just a tremendous amount of utility. So yeah, I'm really excited for the way it turned out here. I think it mounted up well. It looks right. It's proportional to your vehicle. The lines look right. And then, you said you're going to wrap it. It's gonna, It's going to be insane.
Got to give it that
when it's when it's matched and wrapped. But man, I'm excited.
Dude, thank you so much.
Yeah,
seriously,
it's going to be a lot of fun for you.
Brother, thank you so much.
You've been